So hey, this is Chris from BISH'S RV in Junction City. Really excited to show you this 2022 Pleasure Way Rekon. This thing is one of the most awesome utilitarian vans that we have on the market today. We just got it in. You're gonna really love it. I can't wait to show you. Hey, by the way, if you find this video helpful or useful at all, please like and subscribe. We'd really appreciate it, and I bet you'll like it too. Hey, come on over and let's check this thing out. Now, one of the things as I back up here, look at the top. See that big solar panel up on top? All set up for solar. This is lithium, so you've got full electricity no matter where you go. It's like being plugged in. This is gonna keep you from having to spend 30, 40 bucks a night plugging into full hookups. People love these because photographers or fishermen, wildlife enthusiasts, hikers, bikers, you name it, they can go all the way up on a dirt road at the top of the mountain and they can get a beautiful photo of the sunset, spend the night, wake up in the morning, take beautiful photos in the morning, and then head home. This will go where no hotel is, and it'll go where no other B-van will go. So it's pretty special. Four-wheel drive, lithium, solar. Let me show you a few other things about it. Now, of course, it's got the Mercedes. It's a V6. You're going to get probably close to 22 miles to the gallon on the highway. That's incredible. Notice it's also lifted. Performance wheels and tires are very aggressive. And look at this nice step out here. And it's got bars to protect you in case you get close to something. What I really love about this, though, is it is still Mercedes and luxury all the way. Carbon fiber, beautiful looking upholstery, plenty of places for drink holders, very comfortable seating, and you definitely have here what everyone loves, heated seats, seat controllers that are shaped like the seat. So if you want the back to move down or the base to move up, you can do that really easily, and they're not hidden down here in some secret kind of button. They're right here where you can see, and you can also dial in your seating right here for each driver, which people love. By the way, this is where you put your diesel in, and what I like about this is once you are filled up and you shut that, you shut the door and no one can siphon your diesel. You do have an outside shower if you're not modest or in the middle of nowhere. And also, all your hookups conveniently located here. Oh, let me show you this. I love this. So this is what's great about this one. You don't have to go find a dump station to dump your little tank every time it fills up. This is what you do with your black tank. You just pull this out. Perfectly 100% sanitary. You can do this. You can lift this up. And you can just wheel this thing right to the latrine or the outhouse or the toilet, wherever, and you can very easily dump it with no problem whatsoever anywhere that you're at. That's a great idea. I don't care who you are. Who wants to pull up tent stakes just to go find a dump station to dump that little thing when you could do it easily yourself, right? They think of everything. So check it out over here. This is where your propane tank is. Super easy to use, super easy to fill and replace. Notice we've got these nice LED markers all the way around. It makes it very nice and bright and easy in the dark to see what you're doing and to work out here. Moving right along. Inside here, you've got a little cargo net on both doors for extra storage. You have a portable water fill here. And this is a whole screen that comes down. It comes up and down. If you want to open the doors, it'd be like sleeping out in a tent trailer or something when you want it to be. You've got your plenty of extra space for storage. You've got your water tanks, everything inside here that you need, and a bed that easily moves up and down. What I like about this also is they give you a step. So you can easily get up into this and it's got traction on it. 5,000-pound tow hitch, backup cameras, air conditioning. What else do you need? Well, let me show you. This is what you need. Oh, by the way, you know what I love about these things? Let's say that you want to go to Costco and you want to make a big, huge run. This is just like a truck. You can just take it to Costco, throw everything in it. If you want to go to Lazy Boy and get a couple new recliners, throw them in here, take them home. It's like a truck. So you can use this in so many ways. That's the idea of a sports utility van like this. Now moving along here, you're going to see you've got a big, it looks like an iPad, doesn't it? This is where all your controls are, and guess what? They have another one inside right up here. So you can control this in all these places, plus there's an app that you can use. You have a fantastic fan up there, and that'll get a cross breeze blowing through here like nobody's business. And moving right up, I'm going to show you a couple things. So as you step up into the van, you're going to get another look at the cockpit and see how beautiful, luxurious, comfortable, spacious, and roomy this is. And here's your restroom. Now what we love about this is this gives you lots of different options. If you notice, we have these lightweight, durable shelves. So maybe you're going to be a day tripper and you're going to take a trip to the coast or something just for the day and you don't feel like you need to use the bathroom. That's okay. You've got storage in here. Some people put their golf clubs in there. Some people put extra food, clothes, whatever you'd need. This is a place that you can put extra storage when you're not using it, but quickly and easily it converts and you can go to the restroom, you can take a shower. It's called a wet bath. It's where you wash yourself and your bathroom at the same time. I wish I would have had something like this in the hallway when I had kids at home, right? Check this out. This is the most awesome thing. Now, in a lot of these, you'll get a little tiny refrigerator. It doesn't hold that much, and you got to get down and get low and try to use it and everything else. This one here has a freezer and a refrigerator all built in, and it's portable. You can take it out. You can go places with it. Take it out to the picnic table. This is amazing. And what an idea for a B van. Nobody else does this. It's really cool. And moving in here, you're going to see there's cargo nets up here, place to put stuff. The bed moves easily up and out of the way, and you've got a whole cargo van here that you can use. Perfect if you've got gear that you want to take, extra camping things that you want to take on a trip, and a big power awning on the campsite. So your table, your chairs, you can hook up to the everything up to the van. You've even got plug-ins here if you want to do some tailgating, watch a duck game or a beaver game. You pretty much can do everything you want. And a lot of people will use this as a daily driver. And what a cool way to go to work every day, right? Pretty awesome. I would love to show this to you. You got to test drive it. I'm telling you right now, you'll be very impressed. And my name is Chris. You can contact me by calling my cell phone or giving me a text at 541-636-7878. I would love to show you more about this and hopefully get you camping this year.